How to turn off Word spell check for one document. You simply have to disable the spell check for the current document. First of all, go ahead and open the Word application. Then make sure you are on desktop as well because this feature is not yet available on the mobile devices, but you should be able to access this from your desktop. So simply follow these steps. Click File in the top left corner, then select Options at the bottom of the sidebar. Click on the Proofing tab in the left-hand menu. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the window to find the Exceptions for section. Ensure your current document name is selected in the drop-down menu. Check both the Hide Spelling Errors in the Document Only and Hide Grammar Errors in this Document Only boxes. Then click OK to apply the changes. Once you're done, your word spelling check will be turned off. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.